In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install WooCommerce on Hostinger, step by step. If you want to turn your WordPress website into a fully functional online store where you can sell physical products, digital downloads, or even services, WooCommerce is the most popular and powerful solution you can use. The best part is that it's completely free and integrates perfectly with WordPress hosting on Hostinger. I'll walk you through the entire process, from logging into your Hostinger dashboard all the way to installing the WooCommerce plugin inside WordPress. Even if you are a beginner and you've never installed a plugin before, you'll be able to follow along easily. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and online business tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside the Hostinger dashboard, look for the Websites section. This area shows all the websites you currently have hosted inside your account. Find the website where you want to install WooCommerce and then click on the option that says WP Admin next to that site. This button will take you directly into your WordPress dashboard without needing to manually enter your login details. After clicking WP Admin, a new tab will open and you'll now be inside the WordPress admin panel for your website. This is where you manage everything, including themes, pages, posts, and plugins. Now that you're inside WordPress, look over to the left side menu. Here you'll see a section called Plugins. Go ahead and click on Plugins. This area is where you can install new features and tools that extend the functionality of your website. At the top of the Plugins page, you'll see a button that says Add New Plugin. Click on that button to open the WordPress plugin marketplace. Inside this page, you'll see a search bar on the top right. Click on the search bar and type WooCommerce, then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will now search through the plugin directory and show you the WooCommerce plugin developed by Automatic. You'll recognize it because it has millions of active installations and very strong ratings. Once you see the WooCommerce plugin in the results, click the Install Now button. WordPress will take a few seconds to download and install the plugin automatically onto your website. After the installation finishes, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable WooCommerce on your site. As soon as you activate it, WooCommerce will start its initial setup process. This setup wizard helps configure the basic settings for your store, such as store location, currency, payment methods, and shipping options. You can follow the setup wizard right away or skip it and configure everything later from the WooCommerce settings inside your dashboard. After activation, you'll notice a new WooCommerce section appear in the left side menu of WordPress. This is where you'll manage products, orders, customers, payments, and all the important parts of running your online store. From here, you can start adding products, setting up payment gateways like Stripe or PayPal, customizing shipping rules, and designing your store pages. And that's it. That's how you install WooCommerce on Hostinger using WordPress. The entire process only takes a few minutes, and once WooCommerce is installed, your website is ready to become a fully functional e-commerce store. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tutorials on WordPress, WooCommerce, and building online businesses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.